Hey, so today we're going to be making a quick 10-minute low-carb toast, which is perfect if you are suffering from insulin resistance, diabetes type 2, and you're following a grain-free, gluten-free diet. So it's very, very easy to make. We've got a 1/3 cup of almond flour. We have 1 whisked egg, a little salt, 1/8 teaspoon, some baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of melted down butter. You can also use ghee. Let's mix all our ingredients here into the mug. I'm gonna pop that in the microwave for just 90 seconds. Let's pull that out of the microwave. Okay, there you go, that's what it looks like. And these are ready. Plate them. They have butter in them, so you can butter them. You can add nut butter if you like. I'm just gonna enjoy them like